In this class, we will discuss about the type of cell on the basis of nucleus. Doherty described the type of cells in two categories on the basis of development of nucleus. These two categories were prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. In this section, we will study about the structure of both these categories. Prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells are the primitive type of cell. They are found in very simple organisms like bacteria, mycoplasma, algae, etc. They are containing a very simple structure. The nucleus is known as nuclei. In prokaryotic cell, the nucleus is very simple and without nuclear envelope. That is nuclear membrane. इनमें nucleus के चारों तरफ nuclear membrane नहीं होती है and that nucleus is known as nucleoid. In prokaryotic cells, the cell is very simple. The nucleus, the cell contains the genetic material scattered in it and is localized in a discrete region. इसमें genetic material पर्टिकुलर एक एरिया में फिक्स होकर न्यूक्लियस के रूप में नहीं होता है, वो यहाँ पर एक पर्टिकुलर रीजन के अंदर कंसंट्रेटेड होता है, लोकलाइज्ड होता है एंड दैट एरिया इज नोन एज न्यूक्लियोइड. उस एरिया को हम न्यूक्लियोइड कहते हैं. This nucleoid contains double-stranded or single-stranded circular and naked genetic material and it lacks histone protein. Histone protein is absent, which is generally found in the nucleus of eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell generally consists of three envelopes. These envelopes are capsule, cell wall and plasma membrane. The outermost layer of the prokaryotic cell is known as capsule. This layer is also known as glycocalyx. It is made up of polysaccharides. It protects the cell especially from loss of nutrients and water. Main function is protection. The second layer is cell wall. This is the second layer of prokaryotic cell. Cell wall acts as a structural envelope and is rigid due to presence of peptidoglycan. It contains a compound which is known as peptidoglycan. Because of this, it is rigid and form a firm envelope. The innermost layer is plasma membrane. This one. Plasma membrane forms the boundary of cytoplasm and lies inside the cell wall. This is cell wall. This is the outermost layer. Then second one is cell wall and the third one is plasma membrane. So it lies inside the cell wall. Plasma membrane is semi-permeable in nature and consists of lipids and protein. It is semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable means it allows only limited substance to enter in the cell. It is made up of lipids and protein. It is also the site of respiration, photosynthesis, lipid synthesis and other metabolic activities. Site of respiration, photosynthesis, metabolic activities etc. Prokaryotic cell possess mesosomes, tri-layered plasma membrane for respiration and absorption. It contains an organelle which is known as mesosomes. These mesosomes are the site of respiration and absorptions. In case of some prokaryotic cells, pigments are also found in lamellae. As we know that pigments are found in the plastid, but in case of prokaryotic cell, these pigments are found in plasmids. Cytoplasm also contains some glycogen granules, phosphate granules, phosphodihydroxybutyrate. It contains 70S type of ribosomes. Then certain gas vacuoles, etc. All the living microbes included in the kingdom Monera are examples of prokaryotes. We have seen that in prokaryotic cell, nuclear membrane is absent, well-organized cell organelles are absent, it lacks histone proteins and many other features with simple structure. In case of eukaryotic cell, different type of cell organelles are present. It is present in advanced organisms with well-defined cell organelles and especially nucleus having nuclear membrane. In case of structure, we see for example plant cell and animal cell both contains eukaryotic cell. In eukaryotic cell, the outermost layer, that is plasma membrane, is present. The capsule layer which was present in prokaryotic cell is absent in eukaryotic cell. अगर plant cell है तो outermost layer cell wall होगी और अगर animal cell है तो outermost layer plasma membrane होगी. इसके अंदर well defined nucleus होता है and this nucleus contains an outermost membrane envelope which is double layered and is known as nuclear membrane. प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल में न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन एब्सेंट होने के कारण जेनेटिक मटेरियल सेल के सेंटर में लोकलाइज्ड होता है जिसे न्यूक्लियोइड कहा जाता है. बट इन केस ऑफ यूकैरियोटिक सेल दिस जेनेटिक मटेरियल इज एनक्लोज्ड इन न्यूक्लियर एनवेलप और न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन. दिस न्यूक्लियस कंटेन्स genetic material having chromatin network which is made up of chromosome. It contains chromatin network. This chromatin network is made up of chromosomes and the chromosomes contain DNA, histone proteins which were absent in prokaryotic cell and some non-histone proteins. DNA is double stranded. This DNA is double stranded. We have seen that in prokaryotic cell it is circular, but in case of eukaryotic cell it is double stranded. Then it is linear and is capable to transcribe all form of RNA. Transcribe all forms of RNA. That is messenger RNA, transfer RNA, ribosomal RNA. We have seen that in prokaryotic cell there were 70S type of ribosome, but in case of eukaryotic cell 80S type of ribosomes are seen. ATS type of ribosomes are seen in eukaryotic cells. The living material found inside the plasma membrane is known as protoplasm. Here all the living material which is present is known as protoplasm. प्रोटोप्लाज्म दो पार्ट से मिलकर बनता है, साइटोप्लाज्म प्लस न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म। जो पार्ट न्यूक्लियस के बाहर की तरफ होता है, ये वाला पार्ट, यहाँ पर जो जो लिविंग मटेरियल प्रेजेंट होता है, दैट इज नोन एज साइटोप्लाज्म। न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन के अंदर जो लिविंग मटेरियल प्रेजेंट होता है, दैट इज नोन एज न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म, एंड टुगेदर दे कंस्टिट्यूट प्रोटोप्लाज्म। तो in eukaryotic cell, protoplasm is present. It also contains well-defined cell organelles like Golgi complex, then endoplasmic reticulum, then plastids, then mitochondria, then LTS type of ribosome, and many other organelles with vacuoles and all. Now, if we consider a cell of eukaryotic cell in form of flow chart, then we can study like this. Eukaryotic cell consists of cell wall and protoplasm. Cell wall is the non-living outermost membrane. This is the outermost membrane of eukaryotic cell, and it contains protoplast. This protoplast forms the living matter. This cell wall is further made up of three parts, that is middle lamella, primary cell wall, and secondary cell wall. This cell also contains a vacuole in plant cell in the center, and in case of animal cell, it is located at the peripheral region. The outermost membrane of the vacuole is known as tonoplast. The inner content of this vacuole is known as cell. So eukaryotic cell contains vacuole. Vacuole has the outermost membrane called tonoplast, and the inner content, that is cell. Now, in this cell, the inner living material which is enclosed in the plasma membrane is known as protoplast. This protoplast contains a well-defined nucleus having nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm which is present in it. Then in this nucleoplasm, genetic material which forms the chromatin network is located. This is the nuclear membrane, this is nucleoplasm, and it contains chromatin material. Outside this nucleus is present cytoplasm. This cytoplasm contains some living as well as non-living material. In non-living material, it contains the reserve substance, जो उसके अंदर रिजर्व रहता है, चाहे ग्लाइकोजन के फॉर्म में हो, चाहे स्टार्च के फॉर्म में हो, कुछ सीक्रेटरी सब्सटेंस secreted by various types of glands, and the excretory substance which needs to be eliminated from the body. In case of living material, this cell contains cytoplasm, and in this cytoplasm there are some organelles which are double membrane as well as single membrane. Double membrane organelles include plastid and mitochondria, whereas in case of single membrane organelle, it include endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, lysosomes, microbodies, and certain microtubules. We will see the difference in prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. In case of prokaryotic cell, the examples are fungi, blue-green algae, certain bacteria, etc. Whereas in case of eukaryotic cell, it is found in plant cell, animal cell, etc. The second difference is cell size. In case of plant cell, it is 0.125 mm in diameter, whereas in case of animal cell, it is 5 to 20 mm in diameter. If we consider the cell wall of prokaryotic cell, it is made up of peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan, but absent in mycoplasma. It is absent in mycoplasma, which is prokaryotic. In case of animal cell, it is present in plant cell and fungi, but absent in animal cell. It is present in plant cell, fungi, but absent in animal cell. And moreover, it is made up of cellulose. Next difference can be located in cell organelles. In case of cell organelle, endoplasmic reticulum is absent in prokaryotic cell. It is present in eukaryotic cell. Mitochondria absent. Mitochondria is present in eukaryotic cell. In the same way, lysosomes are absent in prokaryotic cell and are present in eukaryotic cell. Ribosomes are 70S types and mainly functions for protein synthesis. Here ribosomes are 70S and 80S type. In case of nucleus also, there is difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Nuclear membrane is absent, genetic material is scattered in the cell, which is known as nucleoid. In case of eukaryotic cell, double membrane, nuclear membrane, double layered, it is double layered nuclear membrane is present, in which nucleoplasm is absent and here nucleoplasm is present. Then related to nucleolus, it is absent in prokaryotic cell, whereas it is present in eukaryotic cell. Here it is absent and here it is present. Histone proteins are absent in prokaryotic cell and they are present in eukaryotic cell. Centrosome is absent in prokaryotic cell and it is present in eukaryotic cell. Flagellum, it is ultramicroscopic, present in bacteria, made of spindles. Here it shows 9+2 arrangement, made of microtubules. Plasma membrane in prokaryotic cell is very thin as compared to eukaryotic cell. In eukaryotic cell, it is very thick. Respiration is generally anaerobic in prokaryotic cell as well as in eukaryotic cell, it is aerobic in physiology. These are some of the basic difference which are found in prokaryotic as well as eukaryotic cell.